I be recording and people be acting so weird. Like I'll be in the store vlogging and everybody just be staring like, she got a camera, she got a camera. Like, yeah, I do. So these what the crab fries look like. Let's see what they taste like. Thank you. Oh, you sharing with your friends? They sweet.
They sweet?
Mm-hmm. They good though. I low-key want to go in the mall like so bad. It's calling my name.
Oh, these are good.
Why you only take a little bit?
I don't know how much you want to take. I'm trying not to be greedy.
I don't know why you be acting like that. If you don't get in there,
Yep. You said if you don't get in there, trying to be all bougie.
right, trying to be cute.
Trying to be cute.
Not bad.
What is these called?
Crab fries. I don't know what this sauce is, but it's good. It's like
It's
sweet.
but it's not like too sweet. It's like,
Hey, kitty girl. It's your world.
Nowhere to go.
shit, I would have just ordered these.
Right? I gotta see if Popeye's got that Megan Thee Stallion meal, because I feel like that man lied.
He definitely won.
Oh, look at the skater dudes. I want to learn how to skateboard so bad.
We could vlog that. You want to just get back?
Bust my butt.
Just keep it cute.
He was a skater boy. He said, see you later, boy.
Friend of all the little white tunes.
I went to a white people middle school for 1 year. 1 year or 2 years? 2 years.
Who's on that person there?
It was like 5 of us.
That's where you met Kaz, right?
Kaz was one of them. Come down.
Coming in hot.
Alright, I'm getting this shit everywhere.
What's your favorite?
Love me some corn.
Pretty good, huh?
You taste it so far? You taste it?
Still trying to get things together.
That's a lot of rice. That's a side of rice, not a whole plate.
Next time, where do you want
Yeah, this is side of rice.
No, that's a whole plate of rice.
Oh, these little sausage.
These shells is too hard to take off.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's like hard as fuck.
What the hell? Don't be like this. It usually slips right off. Oh wow, this is really hard to take off. I like these.
Where them little crackers thingy things at?
Under that green thing.
Give me one of them little crackers.
don't know why I like to put rice in my seafood boil. I just do.
Never too like to put rice in the seafood boil.
I do. It's so good.
Well, you asked me.
Is he drunk?
Oh, the food here?
Good.
Do you got like a side of butter or something? Sure. There now.
Yeah, I don't like these shrimps.
It's too annoying.
Yeah, it's too hard to take out. Your water. I'm gonna have to use my teeth to take this show off.
You want to talk about what?
What's the last time you went to Dave & Buster's?
I'll show you.
Years.
But that's okay.
Years ago.
I don't know.
I ain't been there in a long time.
It seems like their food not cooked enough. It's like it seems under-steamed.
Understand?
Like it's not tender enough.
Thank you.
What's that like?
I be feeling mad late, like, and it's mad early.
What did I say
Oh,
now?
that's a good one.
129. That's a good amount of meat.
Huh?
That is a good amount of meat.
Look. I think the trick is to crack it at the leg.
I try to crack it right in the middle.
No, you crack it at the leg first, and then you crack it in the middle, and you get that perfect. You get that perfect pull. See? You gotta crack the leg at the corner. I was full off them fries. Not gonna lie.
Sorry, it was good as hell.
You can't crack crabs with veneers.
Bitches with veneers eat them.
Yeah, but they don't crack them with their teeth. They know better.
Yeah, them little chickens, man. Right.
Pop right in your seafood boil.
That shit crazy.
Gonna be eating your tooth. They cute and all, but like, is anything real nowadays?
I was thinking that though, like, damn, people be young as hell with them shit still.
They break from nothing too. Young Miami was on her live, and that shit popped out.
Not that shit popped out.
And she a celebrity, so you know she paid top dollars for those. So can you imagine the cheap ones? I want to get a breast reduction. I just want to be like an A cup. Like, I want to be itty bitty titty committee.
Bring you bugging.
I hate having titties. I really do.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Big titty, big butt too?
Big titties, big butt too. Just like impossible to take the skin off the shrimp. I never had struggled to take a skin off a shrimp so much. I don't know where they got these from.
They done played
The bikini bottom.
Had to. Had to get it from the bikini.
I could have used a little bit more juice too. It's a little dry in here.
Right.
You want shots at 6 o'clock in the afternoon? Shit. I never lived that type of life.
What, were you up early just drinking?
Motherfuckers just be taking shots any time of the day. Take a shot. Take a shot. It's 12. Take a shot.
Yeah, no.
I mean, it's fun and it's cute, but after a while, that shit starts to get like, all right, I think you need to go to a AAA meeting now.
Right.
Like, it's fun, but like, it's Wednesday and you trying to drink and get drunk.
That's how I feel about smoking. Like, I feel like I'm like, good on this shit.
Yeah, like, it's cute to be social, but for sitting here doing all day, every day, like, it's something wrong. What's wrong?
I'm like, ugh. Touching her head. I feel disgusted.
Really? That's, a lot of people love the head of the crab tail, the crab legs. They got a lot
No,
of
I'm
meat.
talking about the head of the shrimp.
Oh, yeah, it's nasty.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I ain't never seen no shrimp that had this. Ew, this looks so dirty. Ew, look at this.
This looks so good.
This looks filthy. Ew. Look at this shit.
Girl.
I'm not eating this. I'm sorry. That looks disgusting. Ew, why are they black? I ain't never seen black shrimp like this. Ew. That's gross. Ew, get out of my face. I don't think I'm gonna be back here.
Maybe for the fries. The fries will be good.
It's like they got them straight up shrimp out the water and don't even just boil them bitches right out the water. And they like, I don't know, shrimp usually got like a little form to it. This like breaking apart. You fucking up that corn.
This is my favorite part.
The corn? The corn, corny? Corny corn. Anyways, y'all, I'm full. See you on the next one.